So this is the VARMILO Muse65 layout keyboard. I haven't seen many 65 layouts. Wow, this is nice. There's 5 color versions and I chose this one. I think it's Asgard. I'm not sure. Wow, this is heavy. This has some serious weight to it. And man, I love how it looks like. It's beautiful. I like the 65 layout because it has the arrow keys. Wow, it sounds good. I'll do a quick sound test of all the keys. Okay, this is the Summit version. It's Muse65 and it's got the magnetic switches, of course. You have some more accessories right here. There is a keycap puller and a cable, standard stuff. And so let's see the switches, how they look like beneath. Okay, so these are the Gateron switches. And let's do a quick sound test. These sound very nice, honestly. I really like them. Very smooth. Of course, the rapid trigger and the adjustable actuation point is there. Yeah, but it's very nice sounding for a rapid trigger keyboard. It's not too loud, but yeah, it sounds good for me. You can check the full review of the keyboard on the hlplanet.com. Cheers!